So 1, 2, 3. This is the basic shape. Then the second basic shapes I add oval. Okay, that is the basic shape. Understood, beta? Fine. The basic shape is this oval and this. So now I add over here line, line, line. Now time to draw with the pencil. Okay, the basic steps like this, and I create the oval. Basic step done, beta. Done basic step first. We add over here eyes. Okay. So I creating over here character. With this shape, I creating character. Okay. All right. Done, beta. That much. So we can make some design here, here. Okay. So I do with a pencil and paper, isn't it? Because we are coloring, and we can change little bit up in this drawing. Okay. So I can make it little changes here. I make the glass, mouth. I make Punjabi. Okay. I do this hand like this. This is like a Punjabi, and I make it. This is pajama. Okay. So see, is hand some books, is or carry some books. Okay. You can draw like this. It look like a teacher, right, Peter? Isn't it? So you can create character with this shape, right? This shape. First you understand this, and then you can draw this. Okay. Got it? So next we are doing color. So when start the color, I need to first erasing the pencil drawing. And I make the final drawing. This is the final drawing, okay? Okay, beta, understood. Rishan,
Yes.
yes, make this, make it this hand the book, this pajama. Okay, make it. Okay, how to create character, beta?
Hmm?
Understand? Now the time to color. So you put the color on it. Hmm. Stitching, stitching. So you can create the color for this. Okay, you can make it the yellow color. Make sure the color should be looks nice. Okay, Rishan,
Yes.
understood.
I'm still drawing.
Okay, take time. You take your time and do your best. Okay, you can make some shading. Aram se, after finish your drawing, can show me. Okay, I can tell you the corrections if you have need any correction. So how to create the character with the shape of square? Done beta?
Yes.
Yes, this like a good boy. So you can make a little border over here. See how to create the character. Is that easy or tough, beta? Is it easy or difficult? Is it easy or difficult? Is it easy or tough, beta? Is it easy or tough, beta? Is it easy or difficult? Is it easy or tough, beta? Is it easy or difficult? Is it easy or tough, beta? Is it easy or difficult? 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 Is Rishan,
Yes.
is that easy or difficult? Take your time.